2004 3.5 Nissan Maxima. Turned over but not starting. Alright. First thing, if you ever got a customized key or a key made by some other keysmith or whatever, a locksmith, that could be your problem. Don't go around changing sensors and all that stuff that costs you like crazy, you know, amount of money. First thing you do, if I were you, I'd take it to the dealership. If you can get a tow dolly or whatever, you know, you tow it to the dealership and let them check it out. If it's not a Nissan key, the key's not from Nissan, like the key got Nissan rating on it, maybe that's your problem. Don't go around changing all these expensive stuff, computer and all that stuff. So check this out. Do the first thing is sometimes it's from the programming of the key. All these locksmiths, their programming, it only lasts for like a week or two and boom, you got some problem. So don't do it. You might mess up your whole system. So go straight to Nissan. It's better you spend that couple of extra dollars to get a certified Nissan key instead of you messing your car up. So like I said, go to Nissan and get it programmed for $54. That's it, plus tax. That's your best bet.